Okay, YouTube, we got Lumberjack Henry over here in the 580 Super K, getting ready to move this piece of wood. Got his backhoe out. Thinking this piece weighs around 5,000 pounds. He's getting ready to put it on the, we got a wood miser sawmill. Holy cow, it might actually work. Oh, it would have. Holy cow. Oh, sketchy. I guess that's one way to do it. Just gonna roll off and come through. Perfect. Not bad. There's the sawmill down there. We're gonna get it moved over here and he's gonna get milling this up so that he can get going on this treehouse he's all excited about. At least you can see a 580 Super K in action. Without any doors on it. It's crazy how he does this without any chains or nothing. Pretty good sized logs here. Gotta get around all of his snowmobiles on the trailer. He's kind of a snowmobile guy. This is pretty sweet. Okay, YouTube, well, thanks for watching. This is how Lumberjack Henry does it. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later.